This brown butter and sage sauce is served with butternut squash pasta here, but you can also serve it with chicken, which I'll show you at the end. So all you need to do to make it is to put half a cup of butter, salted, and 10 small sage leaves or so into a pan on the stove on medium heat. It only needs to sit there for about 2 to 3 minutes. You want to make sure that you're stirring it regularly. And then it's pretty much browned, smells nutty, and is ready to put your favorite pasta in. I like to cook the pasta to al dente, add it right into the pan, toss it around, and then serve. You'll see that I suggest you serve it with a little bit of fresh cracked ground pepper and some Parmesan cheese shaved or sprinkled on top. This is so delicious. I also put it one night into the air fryer acorn squash recipe that you can find on Sip Bite Go. It gave us all the cozy fall feels. And then I just want to show you one more option, which is to serve it with some pasta and use this brown butter and sage sauce with some broccoli and some roasted tomatoes and some chicken that you whip up as well. So here's just a look at that butternut squash or the acorn squash, and then here I'm going to show you that chicken dish I'm talking about. So similar concept. All I did was I made the brown butter and sage sauce, and I also pan seared up some chicken on the side, roasted up some broccoli with some tomatoes, tossed it all together with some fasulli pasta, and it was a delicious one pan meal. Yummy.